folks, here we got a PATZ V350 TMR mixer. It's one owner. I'm just going to go quick walk around it to show you the quality and appearance. Go ahead and lower the conveyor. Conveyor is lowering. Okay, raise the door. Close the door. Okay, go ahead and raise the door. It's got a brand new conveyor chain on it, magnetic tray. There's the auger going round and round. The auger's brand new, it was just recently installed. New knives, kicker plate on the bottom, and it's thick, probably like 95%. Go ahead and rev the tractor up. There it is, going round and round. Smooth and quiet. Okay, rev her down. It's got 540 PTO. There's your hydraulics. The hitch is thick. You can tell it wasn't pulled much because the hitch is like brand new. Here's your scale. It's an Avery Weightronic scale, model 640 XL. There it is on. The scale and weigh bars were all redone. It's got a new battery. Oil's been changed on it. The owner's manuals are inside. Rear viewing ladder. The ladder's got a little bit of kinks in it, but it'll straighten out if you want to take the time to straighten it out. Light kit. The tires are in nice shape. I'm going to show you underneath it. Tires are in nice shape. It's got 9-inch rubber extensions on the top. The sides are thick sides. And it's a nice, clean, well-maintained mixer. The farmer just retired and he doesn't have a use for it. So it'll be sold absolute, no reserve, sold to the highest bidder. I'll go ahead and I'll climb up there and show you the inside. 1 minute. There it is, going round and round. There's the sides. There's paint still in the tub. Again, look at how thick and nice, brand new the auger is. New knives. Any questions, please call. I'm going to put the owner's number in the description. You can call him if you have any questions. And then, yeah, bid with confidence. We have loading docks here, forklifts, whatever you need for out-of-state buyers. We'll get you loaded. Otherwise, it pulls super good. Thank you for watching my video.